SHEIN Order Unboxing 2026, $200 haul arrives and the quality surprises everyone. I spent around $200 on a SHEIN haul to see what the clothes would actually look and feel like when they arrived. And honestly, the quality was more mixed than the product photos make it seem. SHEIN's current Philippines store has everything from women's and men's clothing to shoes, accessories, and home products, so a haul this size can include completely different levels of quality depending on the item. The first thing I checked was the fabric and construction. Some pieces immediately looked better than expected, with decent stitching, flattering cuts, and materials that didn't feel as cheap as I expected. Others were clearly more budget-friendly, especially thinner synthetic fabrics or pieces where the fit didn't match the photos perfectly. That's why I wouldn't judge the entire order based on one item. Next was sizing. This is probably the biggest thing I'd tell anyone ordering from SHEIN: don't automatically choose your normal size. Check the measurements for every individual item and read recent customer reviews. Even pieces that look almost identical can fit completely differently depending on the fabric and design. Then came the try-on test. A few outfits looked surprisingly expensive once they were actually styled with simple shoes, accessories, and a good bag. Others looked great online but didn't have the same effect in person. This is where customer photos become extremely useful because they show how the clothes look on real people instead of professional models. After everything was tried on, I separated the haul into 3 groups: instant keep, worth it for the price, and definitely returning or skipping next time. And surprisingly, the cheapest pieces weren't always the worst. Some affordable basics ended up being more wearable than the expensive-looking statement pieces.